Hello friends, in today's video lecture we are going to learn ternary operator, and this is the last video lecture of operators in Java. So let's start. So what is the ternary operator? The ternary operator is also known as the conditional operator. This operator consists of three operands and is used to evaluate Boolean expression. The goal of the operator is to decide which value should be assigned to the variable. The operator is written as variable x, then expression, then question mark, then value if true, colon, value if false. Let's see an example. Here we have defined two variables a and b, and the value of a we assign the 10. And here we are applying the ternary operator. First we check if a equal to 1. If it will be true, then this statement will execute, and false, then this will return. So in this case the a equal to 1 is false, so it will check a equal to 1 is true, which is not, so it will give the result 30. So if you run this application, you will get the value b is 30 here. And in this case you are checking the a equal to 10, which is true, so this value will be print. So the output of this program will be 30 and 20. So let's see with example or with practical. So here I have written this example, and if you will run this, you will get the result 30 and 20. So I hope you enjoy these series of operators in Java, and in this series of operators I have covered every operator in detail, so you must watch at least once these operators video, and in every operators video you will get a PDF file of operators video lecture. So you can, if you don't want to watch the video lecture, then you can read that PDF file. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video lecture for learn new things in Java.